Welcome. Today we are going to understand variance. In statistics, variance is a fundamental concept that helps us measure the spread of a data set. Specifically, it is the average squared deviation from the mean. The formula, s squared equals the sum of x minus x bar squared divided by n minus 1, might look intimidating, but we will break it down step by step. So what exactly is variance? It measures variability. Imagine two groups of data. One group is clustered tightly together. This has low variance. The other group is spread out wide. This has high variance. Variance gives us a single number to describe exactly how spread out our data points are from the center. To measure how far things are spread out, we first need a reference point. That reference point is the mean, or the average, denoted as x bar. Here, we have a simple data set, 3, 5, and 7. The mean of these numbers is 5. This 5 acts as our center of gravity. Next, we calculate the deviation. This is simply the distance of each data point from the mean. For our data set, 3 is 2 units below 5, giving us -2. 5 is right on the mean, so the deviation is 0. 7 is 2 units above, giving us +2. Here is the problem. If we just add up these distances to get a total spread, the negatives cancel out the positives. -2 plus 0 plus 2 equals 0. This happens with every data set. The total deviation from the mean is always 0, which is not useful for measuring spread. We need a way to make all these numbers positive. This brings us to the variance formula. To solve the negative number problem, we square the deviations. That is what this symbol sigma followed by x minus x bar squared means. It means we square each distance and then sum them up. We call this quantity s squared, or the sample variance. Let's apply this to our example. We list our points, 3, 5, and 7. We found the deviations were -2, 0, and 2. Now we square them. -2 squared is 4, 0 squared is 0, 2 squared is 4. When we sum these squared values, we get 8. This 8 is our sum of squares. Now for the final step. We need an average. But instead of dividing by the number of items, n, which is 3, we divide by n minus 1. This is called Bessel's correction. For a sample, dividing by n minus 1 gives us a better, unbiased estimate of the wider population's variance. So, we divide by 2. Let's finish the math. Our sum of squares was 8. Our n minus 1 is 2. 8 divided by 2 equals 4. So, the variance of our data set is 4. This number represents the average squared distance from the mean. To recap the process, first, find the mean. Second, subtract the mean from each number to get the deviations. Third, square those deviations to make them positive. Finally, sum them up and divide by n minus 1. If you take the square root of this result, you will get the standard deviation, which brings the units back to the original scale.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.